Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, we're gonna play with the brand new mini folio 2026 from Happy Crafter Shop. You can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase on happycraftershop.com. There's a ton of pieces that come in there. I try to pre-cut the most of it. I just want to kind of build this with you guys to get you started, and then I'll finish embellishing this on another video or something like that. Like I'll do the finishing touches in another video. This release is available May 15th. I'm not sure when I'm going to be uploading this video. So how I want to do my folio is there's this main piece here that has, it's the longest piece, and it has this flap right here. I cut this out 3 times, and then I also cut out another piece to give me like 2 hinges. So I didn't quite cut it out all the way. I just kind of took the die and laid it on a scrap piece of paper so that I can get this. As you can see, it's not straight, okay? So let's take those and let's build our book, our folio. I'm gonna go ahead and put glue along the edge of this tab here. This set comes with a lot of pieces. You get 2 pockets, you get a waterfall flap, you get all the layering pieces to all these pieces. You get some like photo mat pieces that I'll share with you all. You also get a sentiment. So it is a fully loaded die set, guys. And Happy Crafter Shop dies are always very affordable. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna glue these 2 spines together, these 2 flaps. And then you also get a layering piece for this part. I cannot get it straight. I want to say there. Okay, I need to glue this the other way, guys, because I don't want this part of the paper to show. Okay, so I just put that on the right way. Now I'm using Basil cardstock, and it is a little bit of a heavier cardstock. So I did go back in before I started, and I scored these lines so that it can fold a little bit easier. So we have that part here. Now I'm gonna take this little extra piece and I'm gonna create a hinge. So let's, I want to say, okay. So I'm going to glue this piece. You can just go ahead and cut out another one. I didn't want too much bulk because I am going to be layering it. So I just decided to do it this way, guys. All right, so now we have that hinge. Now I'm gonna take this piece and glue it to this hinge, okay? So we're just doubling up these hinges, basically. Okay. You can add as many pages to this folio as you like. I'm gonna do 3. I wanna do a pocket on each side, and then my little flaps in the center is how I want to create mine. But again, the possibilities are endless. You just really want to line this up correctly. So let me take the time to do that. I don't know, I think that that's good. Here, maybe I should do it this way. Yes. All right, so with these spines, you're gonna have room to, you know, really put things in there. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut out 2 flaps because I don't know if I want to do a waterfall. This is supposed to be a waterfall, and you can like stack it down for as many as you like, but I think that I want to just do 2 flaps that kind of, you know, flip up and down. I'm not sure yet. But you want to be sure how you want this, guys, because you do need to add your layering pieces. There's 2 pockets, one for each side. So that's how I want to map mine out. So I'm not sure about the center, so I won't layer that piece quite yet. But for this piece, I know I want to put the pockets. So I'm going to go ahead and stick down my layering piece first. So I went ahead and I cut the layering pieces. By the way, I'm using Sunny Days by Maggie Holmes. You can get it from AmericanCrafts.com. They have the 12 by 12 25 pack sheets of paper on sale right now for $2.99. Plus, if you use my affiliate link down below, it will save you an additional 10% off. And then they have the little 6 by 8s on sale for, I think, $2.99 as well, or if not less. So if you're interested in this collection, I would definitely grab it. It's beautiful. I'm so happy to play with it. I've been adding to my stash of this. Beautiful paper. Okay, we're going to go ahead and glue this one. This set is going to sell out very quickly. Things on happycraftershop.com sells out very quick, guys, so you have to be quick. Again, it's going to be available the 15th of May. You can use code Poochie10 to save. All right, so we got that piece down. Now we can do our pockets. So I'm just going to simply glue the tabs to the edges. We line that up nicely. Okay. Then I'm going to do this side. So there goes our pocket. So cute. I love this set already. And then we can do the other side. Just gonna glue these tabs. So I love that she included 2 sides, because if not, you would have to flip one over and all that. So you can just cut these out at once, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. Once you get the bottom of the side first, then the other side comes easy. Again, I'm using Basil cardstock, so I made sure to score all these again. Because sometimes the score lines get lost when I'm die cutting because the paper is a heavier paper. Okay, look at those pockets, so cute. And then I do want to put this paper here. So you do get a die piece that looks like this. And this is going to be for your little spines, okay? So I'll be covering those up like finishing touches. So you probably want to put this down first and then do your waterfall. Actually, I would put it down first. I think I'm going to try to do a waterfall, guys. I only cut out 2 for this video because I was planning on doing the flaps. But again, this is going to be the first part of this folio. Maybe we'll do the waterfall aspect in another video. I don't know. So I'm just going to put down that first one because I do want it to be at the very top. And then I'll go ahead and put my layering piece down. Drop the die. I want to try to line this up. About there, looks about right. Let me see what I dropped, guys. Okay, so that's how it's looking so far. And then I do want to take, you do get layering pieces for everything. So you get it for the waterfall, for the pockets, everything. Now, I want to share with you guys the other pieces that this die set comes with. It also comes with this. This is a tab to hold your waterfall. So I'm probably gonna have to do a magnet on there, which is why I want to do this waterfall in another video. I had to cut those pieces out. But here goes the layering pieces for the pockets. We'll glue those. So you get this piece for the spine. This piece is what's gonna, you're gonna put this tab, glue it here so that it can hold down your waterfall. And then this is the layering piece for that. And then you also, in this set, get these pieces right here. These are to cut out pictures, Lisa said, in case you don't have like a little mini photo printer. You can cut the pictures out of these and mat them onto your waterfall. And then you also get this really fun sentiment that says fun times with the shadow piece. So I'll probably be cutting those out in another video. And when you guys do this waterfall, what you want to do is you want to stack these like right after the other. I should have glued this on top, but I think that's fine. So you would take this next one